Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, welcome back with the second Sudoku. Second Sudoku with 4 stars in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Thursday, April the 22nd. Yes, it's April the 22nd, 2021. Three puzzles left. Sudoku with 4 stars, one tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle. The second Sudoku is a 4 star Sudoku, and this will be a number 2676. Alright, 2676. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. And those printed digits is a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle so I can pick a number. How about in this big square? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. We have a 7 and a 9 in the first row. So no 7 and a 9 in these three boxes. We have a 7 and a 9 in this column. So no 7 and a 9 in those three boxes. The 7 and 9 goes in these two boxes. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. All right. We have now 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these three boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in this column, a 5 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in that column, the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. All right. Alright. How about, let me see. 3, 8, 9. Okay, we have an 8 in this row, an 8 in the last row, so in the row between. The only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then 8, yes. 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. All right. Then 4, yes, 4. How about the 5 in this row, the 5 in the last row? So the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be there. All right. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. Let me mark those two boxes. It's a pair. All right. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. Let me mark those two boxes. All right. These 3, 7, 6, and a 2, 7, 6, and a 2, no. 4, 3, and a 9. 4, 3, and a 9. 4, 3, and a 9. No. Alright. 4 and the 2. Yes. Yes. 5 missing numbers in this column. Sorry, 6 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 2. We have a 4 and a 2 in this big square, so no 4 and a 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 2, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there, and the 4 could be everywhere. So now we have 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. All right. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. All right. Then 9. Okay. 7. 7. All right. Let me think. 2. Yeah, it should be the 2. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. The 8 is missing. And the 6. 3, 8, 6. Okay, I cannot do this. Fill this yet? Okay. How about those 3? 1, 2 is missing. 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 4. No, I cannot. The 8, 7. 4. Yes, in this big square, we have 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. All right. So we have a 4 in this column, a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 9. Okay. 4. 4. So this should be a 4. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this first column. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. All right. And now look to the first row. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. All right, 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. All right. 2 in this row. 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 could be here, could be there. All right. So in the first column, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. Well, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. So no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this first column should be there. All right, 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. All right. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. All right. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. All right. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 2 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 7. All right. And now 7, 7. Okay. 3 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Last 2 numbers of this big square are the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right, 9 and 8. All right. How about the number? Let me see. 2. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 9. All right. 3. Okay. 2 numbers are left in this column. The 2 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7. 2 and a 7. Yes, we have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see this is number 1, number 7. All right, the lucky 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3, I believe. Yes, 3 is missing. We have all the numbers 2, yes, and all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2. All right, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, digit number 3, number 1. All right, 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 9. All right, now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be an 8. All right, 1 number left in the second column for the number 6. All right, 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 9. Yes, 6 and 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and 8 goes there, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8, we have a 8 there, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku. How could that be? Yes. So, this 24 printed digits, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level, but you cannot tell. Yeah, you cannot tell every time that this is more difficult than a Sudoku with 25 or 26 or 27 printed digits. If you have a lot of pairs, then it will be more difficult. So yeah, it's a kind of indication. So it's not always true that it's always difficult. And you can see I have solved this in 15 minutes. So is this really a 4 stars? No, a 4 stars. I need 30 minutes or more. Yes. So I give this, let me say, 1 or 2 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. All right. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, a binary puzzle and a tectonic one. See you then. Bye bye for now.